Welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends, and on the mix we have Marcia. Now, as we know, there's a controversy going on with Marcia and this lady that is obviously taking set on her. So this lady is sending her messages via WhatsApp and I don't know where else. But Marcia is saying that, this lady has been sending her messages on her phone and it's been crazy. She's saying that the woman is, sending messages and even all kind of remarks on her phone. And she came out to answer that lady. So guys, go and catch the video and remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell when I post, you will know about it. And for all my lovelies celebrating their wonderful and beautiful birthdays out there today, I wish you love, joy, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. Happy, happy birthday. And for all my other lovely supporters, friends, my subscribers, yes, I wish you a wonderful, wonderful day. And now, we all know that sometimes there are different people that will appear in our lives to sometimes trigger us. But we have to know what triggers not to listen to. Sometimes we have to step away from the triggers, even though they're intentional to try to hurt us. But then again, we can't give the power to the persons that try to hurt us. We have to understand that even though they're trying to trigger us, they're laughing for a reason. It is a test, not only a test, but also it's a test of our ability to either to have someone pull us out of our shell or for us to either sit and have them walk over us. So either way, it's a test. So the way you react can be a test, and the way you don't react can be a test. So guys, remember, any way you react to whatever it is that someone throws at you in any situation, remember it has to benefit you when you answer them. So if you answer, make sure it's beneficial and make sure it is allowing your side of the story to be cleared. If not, leave it alone and let them talk what they have to say because people will talk. No, well, you have the upper hand always. Have yourself a blessed month. And remember, Marcia has her sheets and other stuff selling. Go catch her and go purchase your items. Have a wonderful day now, guys.
Look, my mac and cheese and my jerk chicken over there, so and my rice and pea. Some curry goat mix up. And that me I eat. Dinner time, people. Some rice and peas. Me homeless, but me and name some good food. Curry goat, rice and peas, and some good food. Yes, me there. Me homeless, but not have no to live. And I'm going at $29 motel. Go make man fuck in the back way. Yes, me dear. I wonder what you do. Yes, my child, I wonder what you do. Full time. Wait until I build up a little bit before I start talk. Content creator. Content creating this one here. This one in a regular man say talk. This one here is addressing a girl. I'm doing all right. I'm here eating my nice, lovely dinner. My cousin will get whole heap of food. My nice, lovely dinner. Some people don't have it. Look, jerk chicken, mac and cheese, curry goat, and rice and peas. Potato salad. Lord have his mercy. I can't touch nothing aboard tonight. I just have a support. You're my teacher. I'm your teacher. You learn a lot from me, right? Yes, my dear. It's good to know. It's good to know. It's good to know. We're never too old to learn. We're never too old to learn. We have to keep it real. I'm going to take up a man, I'm going to take up a woman. Me split justice when it comes to both of them. I split justice. Yes, my dear, I split justice. There's a lot of of jealous and bad-minded women that watch me on a daily basis. I come to an understanding. Very jealous and envious of me. As much this one looked like a troublemaker to me. They are very jealous of my life. I realize these Jamaicans out there, like older than me and my same age group, they are so jealous. And they boast about other people, what other people have, and what people don't have. And at the end of the day, I cannot see what they have. I just came in the house. My phone was dead. So I saw 3 voicemail from somebody who just opened up the phone. Me post the number on top of the other live. But the phone is charging. So I call complete. When the phone charge. So this little non-emancipated, dirty girl have the nerve taking up bloggers' battles that she don't have the business to take up. So she called me now and cussed me for Erica, the landlord. Calling me. You dirty stinking girl, you wicked, you talking about somebody house must blood down. And I want you when you're driving the 4-wheel, come off of your truck. And you jump in a one ditch and dead and all kind of thing. And you talk about you're going to strike people. Watch and see if they're going to if they don't take away your page and see what's going to happen to you or dead. Well, I am here to talk to you. My toilet paper. My pussy wiper when me I see my period. My catch come when me man a fuck me and his sperm come out. That is what you is. You're all those things. Shit house, dirty girl. If Facebook never block me wouldn't come over here. And you can't blood clot get rid of me. You can't get rid of me. No time at all. Hello. If me not have YouTube channel, me, I survive same way. Do you know me? Do I depend on YouTube money? Not a blood clot. Them who you accost me if I depend on it. Not me. Me stay over here so come want spite them blood clot. You know how much is in my account already? For me getting next month? You know how much I'm getting already? Because I know how much I get. Because it start over. The cycle end and start over. You wish you could have been like me. Bitch. When you call and tell me, it just go through one hair's wall and come through the other hair's wall. Listen to me. I hope when you call me and I tell me where people have and where people don't have, I hope you have it You know the dirty girl call and say, me must go get a real job. Me must go get a real job because me did a wipe people shit. Well, bitch ass girl, me nah wipe no shit. Him do everything for himself. I me nah ask you twice. I me nah ask you 10, 20 times. Me bumbo pussy blood clot I get more than you. Where you are working for your job. The only blood clot where you get more than me. For the 6 hours me I work per week. Unless you's a blood clot RN. Me nah ask you. Let me make it clear. Stinking pussy bitch. The only blood clot way I get more money than me. Unless you's a blood clot LPN or RN. For the hours of me work. I mean, if you do one blood clot, not more than system. Uh-huh. Hold on there. Hold on there, people. Hold on. Go for... No food, must say cola. You go get... I'll try to look for something. Let me try.